Hey guys, from here, so somewhere through. We just found this, and guys, see like for this video, because we're in this world called 666 in Minecraft, and it says hell. So yeah.
Getting demons.
Maybe he is invisible.
Yeah. I was in my house when this. I don't know what happened. I was just in my house, like in my basement, building something.
Okay, leave that. Dude, we're not gonna break that. We're not gonna break that. This is creepy now. Oh my god. If he comes in your house and burn your house, bro.
Yeah.
I have to look on my screen like really close, and then I look up and I look at it and then I see it, bro.
I see something real. It's fine. I just wanted to play with somebody, and then this happened. This dang thing is making me.
Okay, Lisa and I are going.
Makes me uncomfortable.
Do not, for any reason, open the doors.
Nanny.
What?
So I just realized something. I not built this. I'm playing with my friend, and I was by him, and we was this world is 666.
Oh.
And then look, and it says hell.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Be careful.
This is the first time I see it.
Okay, well, you know what you gotta do, what you post. Be careful, you don't offend anybody. Because some people are very religious and they might find that.
But
I'm just saying.
But this guy go on YouTube and go on Minecraft
Yeah, I
and
know,
do
they
it.
put hell on all the time, that's fine. Okay, do not open the door for any reason. Unless the house is on fire, do not leave this house or open a door, do you understand? I'm gonna have the alarm on. I will bring you McDonald's back.
But do not call me.
Oh no, where's your phone? You need to have your ringer on. Where's your phone?
Right there. I'm recording something.
Okay, well, I just want to make sure the volume's on. And it's not.
I don't need to.
No, if I